Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a video background for the incoming call on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone application. In here, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, tap on settings. In settings, tap on call background, then tap on background, and in here you can choose some of the predefined video background, or you can create your own custom background. So you tap on the add button and then choose select from gallery. Now in here you can choose a picture from your gallery, for example this one right here, and then tap on set as call background. So you can also say use video sound as ringtone as well, and then tap on set as call background, and that's it. So now we have set our own custom video as a incoming call background, so we can test it out. So I'm just going to give myself a call, and you can see that this is what it looks like when we have set our own custom video background on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So here you can see when I receive an incoming call, this is the background video. Now you can hear that the incoming ringtone sound uses the video, the audio from the video instead of the ringtone that we can select from the settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.